Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Did you guys know about this? Cause I didn't. Not even close. The center swoosh Nike hoodies vintage is a major bolo, and I had no idea whatsoever that just this little center swoosh right here made all the difference. I don't know why. I haven't done the research on why, but I've heard about it before just in passing, that the center swoosh, it's where it's at. So this is an older logo from the 90s, I'm guessing. Once again, I am not an expert, not even close, in these type of items. I don't buy vintage, I don't wear vintage, but this is something good to know information wise. Like this sweater's beat. Like a lot of people, especially at the bins, will leave a sweater in this condition. So us clothing resellers, I know we might be kind of picky on item condition, and a sweater in this condition I definitely would pass up, especially it looking very ordinary. But yet these are the styles that, you know, some people are after. $431 for this sweater, for this hoodie. So we'll look at some more. As you can see, like, I don't have to click on all of them. They're all more or less the same. It's the Nike center swoosh vintage, I guess from the 90s, made in the USA hoodies. These are all the same. This one's slightly different. This one has a spelled out. This has a little spelled out, not Nike, but it's the same thing. Like, it's in the center and it's small. So this was made like this for a reason. And if anybody knows the reason, please leave that in the comment section, because this was not even made in the USA. This is made in Mexico. Deliberate small Nike in the center. As you can see, all of these go for about $250. And this one's destroyed. Yeah, this is destroyed. This was not made like that. A mechanic probably had this, working on cars, probably not knowing what they had, beat it up and donated it, and somebody bought it. It's the same tag. I don't think this tag's from the 90s. If anybody any expert knows if this tag right here is from the 90s. I'm not sure. But once again, $200 for this hoodie. So yeah, this bolo is all about the Nike vintage swoosh from the 90s, made in the USA. And a lot of these are faded too. This is unique. It's still in the center, and it had, you know, a little cross thing. This is Vince Carter. This is a basketball player, and it's still in the center. I'm gonna have to do research to find out why was these swoosh in the center, and what's the importance of that. What's the significant about that? Once again, this looks even almost modern. This Boston Celtics, nope. I know this tag for a fact is a vintage tag. Man, I know I left these hoodies. For sure, I know I left these hoodies on the shelf, probably on condition, especially at the bins. Because Nike overall as a brand could be wishy-washy. And this is why I'm doing this, I guess you could call it this series, where I'm looking at individual items in these brands to see what stands out. And right now, this one is a Nike Center Swoosh hoodie. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it right here. I'm not gonna make this too long. So be on the lookout. All right, so let me add this tidbit of information. So there's 2,500 listed and 1,400 sold. $1,400 sold, 56%. 56%. And the average sales price for these hoodies are, wow, they're all over the place. There's a big chunk in the 30s. 30 to 75, you could say most of them, I would guess. So let's go see them on the cheaper end, why they're selling at that price. Let's see, ended recently. Okay, so the more modern ones, so this is the Y2K Thunder one. I believe, you see this is the thing with eBay. Any item could sell for whatever it sells for. So it's hard to really pinpoint a price. I think this is undersold, especially for the spelled out Thunder Nike Center Swoosh, free shipping. You know what I mean? I'm sure that somebody bought this probably like in the first 10 minutes. 10 minutes of this listed. And this for 20 bucks also, I think it was probably like bought. Like any of these could have just been bought really quick. Because I think they're the same. To me, they're the same kind of, I don't know. That's the problem when you don't know what you have. Like this is different. I could see like this not being part of the same center swoosh. This being different. But not this. Like especially with the Miami for 13 bucks. I don't know. I don't know, my guy. Ah, it's a modern tag though. This is modern. Okay, so these Nike Center Swoosh is something that is also modern. So you gotta be on the lookout for that. So that's a modern tag. So some of these are modern, I'm guessing. So they're not all vintage. They're not all vintage 90s made in the USA. Ooh, Travis Scott. Alright, so it's not as soon as you find it, you're not completely rich off the bat. So this is a Y2K. Oh, I think this is an older logo though, isn't this? I don't know. But yeah. Look up carefully what you have. You might have something super valuable, you might not. But anyways, be on the lookout. Nike Center Swoosh. Please like and subscribe. Catch you guys later. I'm out.